It was so good. I ended up buying like 3 bottles.
Looking forward to that.
I got a journey of life.
What did you
get? Flowers.
Oh, I like that. I'm Suzanne, and I'm a copywriter here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads.
Hi, I'm Melissa from Digital Sales.
Oh, that's pretty.
I'm Elaine. I'm a jewelry designer here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads.
You know what's going through my mind, you guys?
What?
I'm Rebecca Green and I'm a graphic designer.
Sabrina's Skinny Glue. Easy to use and no mess formula.
We're going to use the inside strips to go over the lines that are drawn on the
She was
board.
really professional. I'd never been noted for like TLC Creations. It's like a store named Border.
And then you'll have it'll stick off the end a little bit. You're going to take your X-Acto knife and cut the end.
But she was really professional. I'd never been noted for like TLC Creations. It's like a store named Border.
Oh no. Oh, that sounded so fake. How about you gasp and I go, what's wrong?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Becca, how about you? How long have you been here and where'd you start?
Been here for 19 years.
Holy moly, you guys. Just a week.
So you're going to do this throughout your project until you have all of the lines covered on your project with Art Edge.
No, I started in the warehouse. That's where I met Justin.
Aww.
I went to college and I became a photo stylist so that I
Okay.
could get my foot in the door to be a graphic designer. That's so cool.
Yeah. Photo stylist seems to be the foot in the door.
Well, I don't know about you guys, but I'm actually having fun.
Oh heck yeah! I was excited for this.
I know.
Me too.
Like, I'm not just saying that. Actually, it's good.
But I'm new to beading, so I haven't done this before.
I was telling Phil, it's actually just really relaxing right in front of that block. So they named that whole block.
We are going to put the beads in it, and this is where you're going to use your bead scooper, and you're going to get your beads out and just fill the areas that you've already created with your Art Edge with the beads, and you're going to tap the beads into place, and you're going to tap them down to one level.
It's two-tone, which is pretty cool. Like 2 different
The beads
colors.
are two-tone?
Yeah, well, or not the beads, but or 2 different colors.
Oh, yes.
Of red.
Yeah.
Which creates a really cool depth. So
Yeah, I think I have that a little bit too.
on your flowers, yeah.
So if I don't talk, it's because I'm zoning out.
Okay, we can all
Okay.
appreciate that.
So you can pour them in, or you can put them in your tray so that you can scoop them out of your tray into your piece if you're more comfortable with that.
You're doing amazing!
You know me, I am not known for my creative skills.
No, that looks great.
Well, you are now.
I know. This whole new art form has just turned me into an artist.
We found our focus.
I know. I didn't realize how easy this was going to be.
Oh wow, Becca, that looks amazing. Look at that gold. You could get this done in like, a couple hours. And
Yeah.
Oh, yes, but no, but.
And then once you have all the chambers filled, you're going to pour the glue on. Now, you don't have to do the whole piece at one time. You can do half of it and then come and glue it and then come back the next day and do another area if you want.
And you can make your own mixes, I'm sure.
Oh, like
Yeah.
all
Open your mind.
all my random
And
seed
shapes.
bead
Yeah.
packets at home.
I bet you have a lot at home.
Yeah. I always forget how great these beads look outside of the bag and how shiny they are. It looks beautiful. I can't wait to go in my glue now.
And then when you put it on, you're gonna kind of let the glue do its own thing. You don't need to squeeze it. You can kind of just let it pour and drip onto itself. And keep your tip about 1 inch away from your bead.
I did the dragonfly sun and moon, and I picked this one because I absolutely love the design. It's really balanced, but it's asymmetrical, and I love those colors. Had a lot of fun doing my own gradients.
They're cheap.
I hit myself in the
So cheap. They're like $2
Oh,
or $3
Melissa's doing
for
an
two.
amazing job over there.
So I was the last one to pick a kit, and fortunately I got the Ocean Tide kit. And the thing I fell in love with about this kit is that the sunrise reminds us that it's a new day every day.
I chose the flower kit, and the reason why I chose this is because it reminds me of everyday growth.
So I had so much fun. I got to create the hummingbird kit. Let me show you. You can see I absolutely love the colors in it. I got to blend some different color combinations. And the coolest part is I can touch it afterwards.